Hello, to create AI wallpapers on Nothing Phone 2a+, first of all you will have to open Settings. Now you will have to start scrolling and go into Customization. Next, pick if you want to change it for your home screen or lock screen. In my case, I would like to change my home screen. Now, let's go back, by the way. And we have to go for the more wallpapers. That was actually my bad. And when you are here, we are on the Wallpaper Studio, so we have to click Create. And now, as you can see, you can pick different themes. So in my case, for the first one, I'm gonna get this one. And for the second one, maybe I would like to go with the photograph. Yeah, let's match this one. And once you actually click plus, it will start processing and it will give you some results. So take a look. We have to wait for like a few seconds. And now we get this wallpaper. So you can tap to set this as a wallpaper for sure. You can also use scrolling wallpaper or turn it on and off, and click on this switcher in the right upper corner to get it on your screen. And you can also get this atmosphere on this home screen and also get the glass effect. There we go. So now you can click down and take a look. Now the wallpaper has changed, and also for the lock screen.